The old 2.8 Rodeo. Love these old things, but it's got starting issues. Nice long glow. Pretty clean out the back. It won't hold idle when it's cold or warm. Probably suffering from a bit of a bad rebuild.
Yeah, exactly. This one, like everything, glow plugs are working, but the pump hasn't been done properly. So when it's cold, you've got the idle down at 400 RPM, struggling to idle. When it warms up, all the clearances start tightening up, and then it's perfect. So that's just a pump not done correctly.
I just see it all the time around injection pumps and calibration gear. You've got to be so accurate. You can't sort of go, oh, this is enough. It's got to be perfect, or there'll be questions, and then a second pump rebuild. You're getting it done properly. See more of these videos. Keep watching our Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Snapchat, or berrimadiesel.com, where you can find out looking after and repairing your diesel correctly.